Hi, this is Mike Darda with the Darda Group at Compass, Florida. Thank you for tuning into our monthly market update. Today we're going to discuss the latest market statistics, which is for February of 2023. According to the Royal Palm Board of Realtors, in Cape Coral, 357 single-family homes and 45 condos sold in the month of February. In comparison to February last year, when 607 single-family homes and 65 condos were sold. This shows us that there has been a 41% decrease in the number of single-family homes sold in Cape Coral between now and then, and 31% decrease in the number of condos sold. In Fort Myers, during the month of February, 169 single-family and 195 condos sold in comparison to February last year, when 189 single-family homes and 249 condos sold. This shows us there's been an 11% decrease in the number of single-family homes sold and a 22% decrease in the number of condos sold. Now let's move on and discuss the number of active listings in Cape Coral. By the end of February, there was 1,356 active single-family homes and 232 active condos. Last year at this time, there was 416 single-family homes and 44 condos listed. In Fort Myers, there was 388 single-family homes and 537 condos. In comparison to last year, there was 134 single-family homes and 103 condos. As you can see, the number of active homes in Lee County has actually increased by an average of 50%, and we've shifted from a seller's market just a year ago to where we only had a couple weeks of inventory to a neutral market with a 4-month supply. This shift has also led to longer days on the market for nearly all homes. Fort Myers, the average days on the market for February is 16, whereas last February it was 6. And in Cape Coral, the average days on the market is 32. Last year it was just 6. This is an average increase of 71.5%. Before we discuss why, let's look at the prices of homes in Cape Coral and Fort Myers. And to give you an idea, Cape Coral, the average sale price for a single-family home in February of 2023 was approximately $420,000. And a year ago, that was $401,000. That's a 5% increase. In terms of Cape Coral condos, the average sale price in February of 2023 was $294,900, and a year ago was $268,500, an increase of 9%. Moving into Fort Myers, the average sale price of a single-family home in February 2023 was $455,000, as where in February 22 it was $430,000, an increase of 5.5%. And condos went from $300,000 this February. It was only $273,000 last year, an increase of nearly 9%. So the bottom line is, as the statistics show, there are more homes for buyers to choose from. Fewer home sales are occurring. Homes are taking longer to sell, but home prices are actually up year over year. Now that you've seen what's happening in the market in the last month, let's take a look at some of the other factors in the real estate market. First, let's look at interest rates. According to Freddie Mac, a 30-year fixed rate loan right now is 6.5%. What this means is buyers' purchasing power has decreased as the interest rates rose. Home buyers that are able to afford now less home, which means they will definitely have longer days on the market for the homes that are up for sale. This has caused the market to shift from a seller's market where sellers dictated pricing to where we now have a neutral market. And if it continues to stay a neutral market, which is about a 4-month supply of homes, prices will remain steady. As we continue to pick up the pieces from Hurricane Ian, severely impacted homeowners are considering whether to rebuild their homes or sell as is. One of the main factors that's impacting this decision is the FEMA rule. This rule states homeowners are able to repair or remodel their structure for up to only 50% of the assessed value of their home, and that's just the structure. So if your home is worth $500,000, the structure, and you can repair it up to $250,000. So this doesn't apply, of course, if you tear down the property and build a new home. We are, as a result of all this, seeing an influx of investors who are looking for these homes to buy and renovate or to tear down and build new. So that's a summary of what's happened here in the Southwest Florida real estate market in February. So we know that you've had a lot of choices in real estate experts. So we appreciate your listening to our update on the market. And if you want to know more about how these statistics affect you, whether you're buying or selling a home in today's market, give us a call. Thanks for watching.